Today we're exploring the charming town of Gouda in the Netherlands. And yeah, it's raining, but we're not going to let a little bit of drizzle dampen our spirits. We're going to go and check out the cosy vibes, amazing architecture, and see what Gouda has to offer, rain or shine.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river.
So this is the nighttime view of the central square. Although it's raining, we are not going to let this put us off. We're going to go and have a bit of an adventure, a bit of a wander around, see what's happening, and it's certainly going to make all these Gothic masterpieces look even more enchanting.
To feel alive.
Let's be honest, you didn't think we would come all this way without exploring the cheese shops. This is what this place is famous for, so let's get in and see if we can find some lovely cheese to taste.
Just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Gouda has been a fantastic experience, even in the pouring rain. Don't forget that this is just part of a bigger trip. So next up, we're off to the grand city of Amsterdam. We will be just trucking along the road until we find where we're going, and we'll pick you up in a bit. Welcome to Camping Zeeburg. This is a lovely location, right on the river. Couldn't get better. Tram stop about 5 minutes away. Nice big pitches, nice clean facilities. So big shout out to Mr. Joff from Mo Hotel Adventures for this recommendation. Anchors, bugs, so what do you call those? Sea bugs. Definitely sea bugs. Fish on the wall. Without a stop in Amsterdam. Now I know this is some people's most favourite city in the whole world, but we've visited a fair few cities, so let's see what we think of this one. We've got some piazzas, some squares, we've got some canals, we've got the tulip markets. We've got it all to go and have a look at. So join us as we have a wander around this beautiful city. Little tulips,
Well, it was beautiful, it was interesting, but sadly our visit got a little bit marred by the point that this second day we hadn't had any sleep the night before. Sadly, we had a little visitor in our motorhome, one little tiny mouse that was making a lot of mess when we were trying to catch it. It got into the bed, got into the cupboards, and it was only when we went into Amsterdam that day and the gentleman in the shop said to use bait with peanut butter, and caught the little blighter. Sadly to his demise, unfortunately, but he had done a lot of damage, and I think that just marred our last day. So we probably will go back at some point and see what all the hype is about, because we didn't get it.
So despite the beauty, despite the gorgeous architecture, the crowds didn't help. There were just people everywhere. It's a major big city. It's a major tourist attraction. There are some lovely bits. We will come back. We will just try and time it that we don't get a mouse. We don't get sort of waylaid in this whole It was built up to be more than we found it to be, but then we've visited most of the major cities in Europe over the last few years,
That's really sad.
and this
There
one,
is
sadly,
so many that are
was
empty.
just another big city in our opinion.